Here's a short video for the beginning knitters out there on how to keep your multiple skeins of yarn untangled. So here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different skeins, each a different color. And I've started a basic striping pattern with the skeins in the order that you see laid out here. I've got about 10 rows started. And now I'm just going to knit across as one normally would. No tricks here until we get to the end. Now, obviously, if you're an expert knitter, you already know this technique. So, like I said, this is really for the newbie knitters out there who are still learning the ropes and are maybe a bit intimidated by the thought of knitting with multiple colors and multiple skeins. Okay, there we go. So we've completed the row and now we're ready to turn our right needle. And here's where you need to pay attention. As you're looking down, turn your right needle clockwise. Okay, so again, turn your needle clockwise as you're looking down at it. And now let's just finish off the purl row. I searched all over to see if there was a video out there demonstrating this, but I couldn't find one anywhere. And there we go. Okay, we're ready to turn our right needle again. So previously when we turned our needle, we turned it clockwise. Now, as you're looking down, turn your needle counterclockwise. So again, looking down at it, turn it counterclockwise. And now let's just pull apart the threads here, which are sticking together. And here you go, completely untangled. It's that easy. Now, this is only effective on really simple basic patterns. Stripes, checkerboards, the occasional splash of color on a solid background. On really complicated patterns like this, it won't be very effective. So if you're trying this out for the first time, don't try it on something this complicated. But again, on simple patterns, this should help you maintain your sanity while you knit.